We have some big news coming in on Rhea Chakravarti's line of questioning that India Today has accessed. What happened on the 8th of June that you left Sushant Singh Rajput's house? These are the questions asked to Rhea Chakravarti. Why did you block Sushant Singh Rajput's number? Was Sushant ill? Where did you get him treated? CBI to ask these questions to Rhea Chakravarti about Sushant Singh Rajput's account as well. CBI may opt for joint grilling of Rhea Chakravarti along with flatmate, cook and the house help. All of them to be grilled together is what is expected. Here is the line of questioning that India Today has accessed. A couple of questions, very evident questions to be asked to Rhea Chakravarti as to why she left Sushant Singh Rajput's house in the first place on that day, on the 8th of June. Was Sushant ill when she left the house? And why did she block his number? And where did she get him treated? In fact, Rhea Chakravarti claimed that he was undergoing treatment. He was undergoing psychiatric treatment. Where was Sushant getting treated? All these details to be asked, and more likely so that Rhea will be grilled along with the other members of the house, the flatmate, the cook and the house help. Munish joining us more details on this. Munish, the CBI's line of questioning has been accessed. India Today revealing what could be the possible questions asked to Rhea Chakravarti. A few very evident questions there about why she left, about if he was ill, where he was being treated, and why did she block his number. And is it true that she is possibly going to be grilled along with the other members of the house, the flatmate, cook and the house help?
Yeah, well, Nabila, this will be the first round of questions. So this will be probably only Rhea will be grilled by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, as far as the questionnaire is concerned, the CBI has already questioned Deepesh, Siddharth and the other person who was staying at Sushant's place when the incident took place. Now, after recording the statement, they have also asked about Rhea Chakravarti, and a separate questionnaire based on the statement of the trio has been prepared by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and most likely, today, Rhea Chakravarti will be grilled by the CBI. This will be the first statement by any agency. Till now, her statement has been recorded by Mumbai Police, but it was again as a witness. ED was looking for a financial angle, but CBI will be recording her statement as an accused in the case. So this is going to be very important, and we have been given to understand is that this will be the first round of questioning, and maybe even after first round of questioning, the Central Bureau of Investigation will continue for at least a day or two more.
Right. Munish, we understand that the CBI recreated the entire crime scene there, and there were some statements that were contradictory as well of the flatmates and the cook. Would you know what really happened with that round of questioning, where the CBI has not been convinced about the contradictory statements coming in from the house members?
When the CBI started recording the statement of Neeraj, the cook of Sushant Singh Rajput, so initially there was some contradiction with the statement he had given to Mumbai Police and then later to the CBI. Now when the CBI recorded statement of Siddharth Pithani, then what he was telling about Neeraj was different from what Neeraj was explaining. Okay. And this questioning was specific to what happened on 13th and 14th, especially when Sushant Singh Rajput was not opening the door. And that is why the CBI again grilled both of them, and they were confronted with each other. Now CBI claims that there were some inconsistencies. That is why again they went to the crime scene, recreated, and their statements have been again recorded about the 14th incident.
Right. Manish, thank you very much. We also have Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai. Pankaj, right over to you. Rhea Chakravarti to be called in and asked some very evident questions about why she left Sushant Singh Rajput's house, if Sushant was ill when she left, if why did she block Sushant's number while she left his house, after she left his house, and also, more importantly, where was Sushant taking treatment or psychiatric help? Here, Rhea Chakravarti possibly to be also grilled alongside the other flat members just to ensure that all their statements are matching.
Nabila, interesting activity here outside the DRDO facility. This is the second vehicle that has entered this facility. We were not able to see who was inside, but there could be someone. There was a person inside wearing a mask. hiding his face. We do not know who this person is. But as we were saying, more witnesses would be called in by the CBI for interrogation. This is a second vehicle that has entered inside. Now, of course, today, the big day. Now, everyone is saying that perhaps Riya Chakrabarti might be called in for questioning, though at this point of time, there is no confirmation either from the CBI sources or from the lawyers of Riya Chakrabarti. But remember, the late actor's father who had registered the FIR in Patna had made her the prime accused, saying that she was the one who was responsible for the abatement of suicide of the late actor. Now, it was this FIR that led to CBI getting this case from the apex court. So Riya Chakrabarti remains the most important character in the entire story. And in all accounts, perhaps today she will be called in for questioning. But before that, interestingly, last night's development was very interesting in a manner that the late actor's former accountant, Rajat Mewati, was also called in. He was grilled. His statement was also taken. Now, why is this so interesting? Because along with Rajat Mewati and other staff members, they had alleged to the Mumbai police that they were removed by Riya Chakrabarti. Now, of course, in light of this these things, this scenario, his statement is going to be very interesting. Right. CBI would have asked, why was he removed? Why were other staff members removed? So here we are seeing that a roadmap has already been prepared by the CBI before the interrogation of Riya Chakrabarti starts.
Absolutely. Pankaj, we understand that there are 3 teams of the CBI simultaneously trying to understand what really led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. While one team we know that is interrogating and questioning all those stakeholders, including the flatmates, also the prime accused, Riya Chakrabarti, will be called in. The other team is recreating the entire crime scene inside the house of Sushant. What is the other team doing? The third team there, if you can take us through, Pankaj, the 3 different CBI teams probing 3 different areas. Please take us through each one of their focus.
Nabila, at the first, the very interesting thing that has happened and what we have seen is the constitution of the CBI, constitution of the CBI body. And there are around 24 forensic experts. Now, this is on account of the fact that, as everyone has been seeing, that CBI has been at the scene of crime after 2 months. They wouldn't have got any forensic evidence. And so CBI is heavily relying on the forensic experts. So for the past 2 days, we've been seeing how many forensic experts, 24 is the count that we have been told, have been doing the rounds of the house. They have been extracting whatever little possible details that they can get. Are they successful in getting any fingerprints from anywhere? Of course, they are in the possession of the green cloth with which the lead actor took the extreme step, the bed sheets, the mug in which he had the juice. So we do not know whether CBI has been successful in getting any forensic evidence, but it is not just, their focus is not just on the reconstruction of the scene of crime. Interrogating, taking statements of the various stakeholders is also important, and that is the reason why the trio of Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj and Dipesh, who were the prime witnesses, their statements were taken. Now, another activity here. This is the third car, Nabila, that has come in. Now, why is this getting important? Because these are the cars that enter every day inside and then CBI officials go out. Now, speculations are rife that in some time CBI officials will be moving out of this facility and perhaps going over to the suburban area.
Right, Pankaj, CBI officers there, about 10 of them, along with the forensic teams, have been going in and out of Sushant Singh Rajput's house. A quick note on the neighbors. Have the neighbors been asked to give out their statements? Because there was a lot of talk about Sushant Singh Rajput having a party in his house and then the neighbors were disturbed. Later, all those allegations were rubbished. But nonetheless, the CBI, are they looking into neighbors' statements as well?
Interestingly, what has happened now, this has never happened before, but one of the neighbors the other day when the CBI team was there in the house had come out and said that she felt there was something amiss in the entire story. And the reason she gave was that most of the time she found that the actor was wide awake till late in the night time. She said that she found the actor to be awake till 4 a.m. and everybody in the neighborhood used to wonder what does the late actor do being awake so late. Now, this is the first time that we are seeing a CBI official coming, Nabila. as we've been seeing activity since the early morning, another vehicle entering. This time round, a CBI official, a Mumbai CBI official has entered the DRDO. Now this is getting interesting. This happened yesterday as well. The Mumbai CBI is aiding the Delhi counterparts. Yesterday we saw Mumbai police also coming in, but now this is a definitive indicator that from here on, perhaps in some time, CBI officials would be moving out. Remember, this is the very place where one team of the CBI is staying, and all the three, Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj and Dipesh, had been grilled at this very place by the team. Now the Mumbai counterparts are again here. Now this is a definitive indicator that perhaps the trial would be called in sometime, and again the grilling is going to start. As you had rightly pointed out earlier, contradictions had been found in the statements. This is huge. So it remains to be seen as to whether this team is going to head out along with the trio again for deconstruction. We do not know, or whether the trio is going to be called in here for another round of grilling.
Right, Pankaj, we understand that the CBI is now mulling over not just calling the trio, but also along with Riya Chakravarti, they want to take all the four members to the house to recreate the entire crime scene while interrogate Riya alongside the other three members, just to see if all those statements are matching or if they are contradictory. That's now the procedure, is what the CBI is mulling over, just to see that they get every angle of the case without any piece of detail or information being overlooked.
Absolutely right, but I feel that is going to be part 2 of the interrogation. First of all, Riya Chakravarti is going to be questioned alone. A set of questionnaires has already been readied by the Central Bureau of Investigation after having a thorough look at the statements that she has given to the Mumbai police. The CBI officials have also, we are hearing, analyzed the statements of the trio that had been given to the Mumbai police. For the last 2 days, Siddharth Pithani, the flatmate of the late actor, and Neeraj and Dipesh were taken to the very place, and there the CBI team has taken their statements there itself, and now they will be corroborating that statement. Riya Chakravarti is going to be asked why did she leave on the 8th, because now interesting developments took place that a WhatsApp conversation has also gone viral, which contradicts the theory and the statement that was given earlier by the lawyers of Riya Chakravarti. So we are sure that CBI would have taken cognizance of that aspect as well. After that, interestingly, the lawyers of Riya Chakravarti have not let out any statement, neither are they saying anything off record as well. So this gets a tad bit interesting here. But if the CBI finds that there is a contradiction in the statements and the versions that have been given by Dipesh, Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj to what Riya Chakravarti says, then perhaps, as we have been told earlier by CBI sources, then all 4 of them will be made to sit at one place, and there is going to be cross-questioning.
Right.
But that would also indicate, Nabila, I feel, that either one of the 3 have been lying, or CBI has got a lead, or perhaps there has been more disclosures.
Well, we've got to wait and watch for that. If at all the CBI comes out, if the speed with which the CBI is going, we're hoping that the result of it, the conclusion of this case, comes about soon enough. Pankaj Upadhyay, they're tracking every movement of the CBI. He's right there at the spot at the CBI's office, the DRDO office, where the investigation is currently ensuing. Pankaj, do stay with us. We have more information coming in from the CBI here. The Central Bureau of Investigation is likely to grill Sushant Singh Rajput's cook, Neeraj, flatmate Siddharth Pithani, and also the house help Dipesh Sawant today again. And this comes right after the probe agency continuously grilled the trio for the last 2 days at the late actor's apartment and the makeshift CBI office at the DRDO guest house. The probe agency will question the 3 witnesses about the sequence of events which took place between the 6th and the 12th of June when Riya Chakravarti left the actor's apartment. In fact, the CBI also questioned Rajat Mevati, who worked as Sushant's chartered accountant until January this year. He was allegedly fired post Riya's entry. Sources have told India Today that statements of Siddharth and Neeraj contradicted each other during the questioning there. In fact, the CBI officials are aggressively grilling them to gather evidence before summoning Riya Chakravarti, who is here the prime suspect.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.